Hi, my name is Madhavan. I work with TVS Tires as Executive Vice President Sales and Marketing. First up, compliments to ET Brand Equity team for having come out with this new segment BE Plus on what's happening now and how things will change. What we're actually going through now is quite surreal, bizarre, and appears to be something out of a sci-fi movie that we watched ages ago. Well, let's hope this nightmare ends very soon. Instead of focusing on the negatives around COVID 19 that we're all getting to be experts in, we should possibly remember that with every misery comes an opportunity. If this unfortunate episode of pandemic can teach us what our school system failed to do in our formative years, it'll be a huge plus. In my view, those two or three points are: one, we waiting patiently in a queue and not jostling and falling all over each other. Second is India is not a clean country as such. Personal hygiene will get better now. Washing hands, keeping oneself clean is a very good development. Third is the importance of fitness. I find more people taking to fitness regime. Thanks to the lockdown, they have had time to exercise and they have no complaints. I sincerely hope they continue with this. Having said all this, under the garb of resilience, if we go back to our old ways, we would have wasted a pandemic, and that would be quite unfortunate and also a shame. On business front, organizations like ours that belong to manufacturing sector are preparing to restart in a new and different way. In fact, we are reimagining our business, the way we do business. We don't expect the same old customer to turn up. We foresee a change or a new customer to turn up. And to that end, we have to make some changes. What will those be post COVID 19? There are 5 or 6 points that we're working on and what we see as change. One is rapid acceleration of digital economy, right? Digital has become a new way of life. For example, work from home, online education are changes that we're already seeing. These are going to stay post lockdown too. I hear from my friends in the industry and creative media saying that they're going to let people work from home post lockdown too. Possibly they have realized that employees are more productive at working from home without any distractions of office or travel time. Second is we see e-commerce as an opportunity. It's been there for a while, but this sector is going to gain prominence now, and their contribution to GDP is going to be significant. Our sector, which is the automobile sector, is going to see increased activity in this space. As always, brand is an important aspect. While in the short run, brand loyalty might take a beating, essentially due to disruptions in supply chain. But with availability, safety, and accessibility becoming more important levers, the bigger brands will continue to do well. When I say bigger brands, the trusted and bigger brands will continue to do well. Fourth, automobile industry in particular had taken a beating right through last year during the early part of recession. And post COVID 19, there could be something to cheer about for the automobile industry. From what I hear, cities like Beijing and Shanghai have seen enormous increase in traffic post the lockdown, essentially meaning that people are wary of taking public transport and have started pulling out their own two-wheelers and four-wheelers. That's good for us. Staying on, for us at TVS Eurogrip, digitalization is going to be the way forward. While traditional media will continue to be there and will be our mainstay, increased action in the digital medium is a given. Two-way communication, instant connect with millennials who are going to be our next-gen customers will be the biggest gain here. Alongside, we are also working on transformation in our sales and distribution function. High on agenda, that is. Digital tools like Bandhan and Mitra, which are homegrown, will help our trade partners collect and service retail orders. With workforce not going to be there in full hog right through May and June. Minimizing human contact will also be achieved in this short term. Finally, it is going to be an era of smart marketing. That is going to win it for brands. In our case, it is going to be smart tires, smart technology, and even smart sales and distribution system. Stay home, stay safe. Good luck.